Hi, and welcome to Adells. Today we're keeping things simple and comfortable. A gentle guide to using a manual pump while relaxing on the couch at home. If you enjoy calm, real-life tips, make sure to like this video and subscribe so you don't miss new ones. Picture this: a quiet room, your favorite blanket, maybe a cup of tea on the table beside you. You've got a few moments to yourself, and the couch is a perfect place to settle in. Let's make this a slow, stress-free part of your day. Before we start, wash your hands or keep wipes nearby. Make sure your pump parts are clean and ready. No rushing, just taking your time. Have a small cushion to support your arm or side so you can stay comfortable through the whole process. Sit back so your shoulders are relaxed. Place your feet flat on the floor or tuck them under you, whatever feels more natural. If you like, drape a light throw over your lap. It's about creating warmth and privacy even in your own home. When you're ready, position the pump gently and begin with slow, steady squeezes. There's no need to force anything, just find a pace that feels right for you. Breathe deeply, letting each exhale release a little more tension from your body. It can help to focus on something soothing, maybe the sound of a soft playlist, a candle flickering on the shelf, or simply the rhythm of your own breathing. This moment is not about perfection, it's about care. If your hand feels tired, pause and stretch your fingers. Switch hands if needed, or shift your position slightly on the couch. Sometimes even changing the angle of your body can make a big difference in comfort. Once you're done, store the milk safely, give your pump parts a quick clean, and take a few more quiet breaths before moving on with your day. Let yourself feel proud. You took this time for you, right here, in your own cozy space. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. And remember, you're doing better than you think.